Hi friends, great morning and welcome to Daily Analysis. Friends, yesterday I mentioned that I was expecting more on the selling side, and you could clearly see that there was a trending day. We got a good selling opportunity, and the levels, whatever we discussed, were respected. We told first we have a support at 6729, then we have weekly pivot 670809 level, and you could see that price was actually struggling to come down. But the moment it came down, it came and settled near to our virgin CPR level, right? Many people expected there can be a free fall, but I was telling that there is a virgin CPR and that can act as a support, right? This was our target level, right? So this is what exactly happened. Now the virgin CPR is not valid since it's already touched. The price is already touched, right? Now we will do today's analysis. Friends, before going in detail, I want to give you a clear disclaimer that these are my personal views and studies. So I know I'm not guaranteeing you any success or profit from these trades. Make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk reward ratio before taking any trades. Friends, Thursday, we have scheduled a masterclass called Price Action Secret, where I'm going to teach you more on detail about price action, support resistance, major candles, and also I'm going to share you 3 important intraday patterns, right? And this time also, this will be at free of cost. Starts at 7:30 p.m. and ends by 9:30 p.m. And Friday, 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., we have scheduled a masterclass called Superpower Trader, where we'll be talking more about psychology behind successful trading and money management rules. So I want all you to register for both the masterclasses. So the link to register for the masterclass is there in the description. Click on the link and register for the masterclass. Friends, if you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis, and share this video with your other trading friends. Let us continue. Friends, first we will do with MCX daily candle. So here I have already mentioned that I was not comfortable for the small breakout and I was expecting a downside. And this is what yesterday's candle, again, it was a bearish candle, right? Even though it is not so big bearish candle, but it is giving us a small pattern that it has not crossed this high, and every time it's creating new low. So that is indicating the trend actually trying to change it, right? Maybe we may have some support near to this location we will have, and maybe if 20 EMA also support there, it can take a support, but we have a gap in NYMEX which has to fill, right? In NYMEX crude also, you could clearly see that there was a bearish candle, right? Even though it's not so big, but it is an almost big kind of thing only. And it actually came down below the support zone now, the resistance support zone. So that it's again indicating it can come down, right? The trend may be trying to come down, right? Maybe somewhere near to the yesterday's low and all, there is a support zone, but we will see in the proper levels in 30 minutes chart, right? But overall showing trend actually supporting our view. Now, 30-minute candle of NYMEX crude clearly was showing that I told like there can be a trending day seeing this CPR range, and there was a trending day, and exactly it came near to our virgin CPR range. Right now, today this virgin CPR is not valid, so we need to remove it, right? And here you could clearly see the CPR range is a wide CPR, indicating that it can be a sideways day, right? Maybe it can be a sideways day. That's what CPR is indicating. And morning, the price, even it was almost a flat level, and it went and touched the CPR range. Maybe we will see whether we are getting any selling pattern, right? If you are getting a selling pattern, and the good selling opportunity will be if you're getting a good pattern below the previous day's low, which was 80.5. And you can exactly see near to our supports on which we draw, exactly took a support, right, yesterday. So if we are getting any pattern below this, which may be a selling opportunity for us, right? We will do MCX crude analysis, 30-minute candle analysis. Friends, the CPR range starts from 6652 to 6692, right? 40 points we have a CPR range. So that is indicating a wide CPR, indicating that it can be a sideways day, right? That's what it's indicating. Now, what are the probability for trade opportunity? Now, one, if it take a resistance within the CPR range, because CPR is showing a wide CPR, so there can be a possibility of a resistance. So if you take a resistance and come down with the 20 EMA support and breaks previous day's low is, you can see 6,607 level. If it breaks, if you're getting any pattern below, then it can be a selling opportunity, right? So first target, I will be looking somewhere near to this zone, right? We have this zone I have not marked, since it is a turning point, point kind of zone, which is around 6,529.30 level. Because you could see when the price was coming down, it was taking a support, again trying to go up, again took a support, and a couple of 3-4 times it took a support, right? So if price comes to 6,530 level and all, it can take a support, or at least 6,514 and 6,540. So this is the range which I am looking on the selling side for the first target. If that breaks, then we have a bigger target of 6,383, right? So this is what I was looking for the day in the selling opportunity. I think since the CPR is a wide CPR, it may somewhere come to the zone and take a support and play in between the ranges, right? That can be the one possibility. And on the upside, we have, if the CPR breaks, immediately we have a weekly pivot, 6,709, that can act as a strong resistance. Then 6,729, that also acts as a support resistance. Above that, we have 6,779 level, right? So buying side, what I am seeing is, if we get any breakout or if we get any pattern, there are multiple resistance, right? So that has to be taken care. So if above this level, again, we have a resistance at 6,843 level. These are the resistance zones which we have, friends. So make sure you note down all the points, all the levels, and according to the pattern, according to whenever we get a good pattern, accordingly you can trade it, right? Again, I don't guarantee you any success or profit from these trades. Make sure you do your own analysis and take proper risk-reward ratio, right? So thank you very much for watching, and we will meet in tomorrow's video. Thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.